Hello everyone, this is Akanksha. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day and everyone is staying safe at home. So today I'm going to share how to make this macrame plant hanger. For this you can take a metal or wooden ring, preferably 3 to 4 cm. Now you have to take 8 3mm cords of 4 meter length. Now I am going to put these cords inside this ring and pull them down such that there should be minimum 1 foot gap between the two ends. Whatever products I am using here, you can find them online. I will share the link in the description below. Then we have to hold all these cords like this and then take a string and make a loop like this. One end should point upward and with help of the other end we have to wrap everything together. You have to keep on wrapping until you have your desired length. This knot is called as gathering knot or wrap knot. Once you have your desired length, take this end you are wrapping with, put it through the loop and then you have to pull this string which is pointing upward until it's tight enough. Then we have to cut the extra string. Now we have 16 cords. With help of these cords, we are going to make 4 arms like this. Let's make the first arm. First we need to do square knot, for which we are taking 2 longer cords and 2 smaller cords. Longer cords need to be outside and smaller one needs to be inside. First we need to do a Q-like loop with leftmost cord and keep the right cord over that. Then pass the rightmost cord inside the loop from the back and then tighten the knot. Now make reverse. Now make a P-like loop with the rightmost cord and keep the left cord over it. Then pass the left cord inside the loop from the back and tighten. Now for better understanding, I am going to give you some close-up look, so watch it carefully. Like this I have done 15 square knot. Now we are going to do twisting knot or spiral square knot. First we are going to make a Q-like loop with the leftmost cord, then keep the right cord over that, then pass the right cord inside the loop from the back and then tighten the knot. Now instead of doing the reverse, we have to continue the same. Again we have to do a Q-like loop with the leftmost cord and then keep the right cord over that and then pass the right cord inside the loop from the back and then tighten the knot. Like this we have to make 22 twisting knot. Now I have completed the first arm. Now I am going to repeat the same with other 3 arms. Now I have completed the 4 arms. Now let's take the pot and spread the arm like this. We have to give 3-inch gap and then we have to make the square knot. For this we are taking 2 cord from one arm and 2 cord from the next arm. Now remove the pot and let's do the square knot. Now again give 3-inch gap and make the square knot. For this also we are taking 2 cords from the one arm and 2 cords from the next arm. Now once again take the pot, then keep it inside. Then we have to hold all the cords together. Now mark it where we can do the gathering knot. After that remove the pot. Then take a string and start doing gathering knot. Now cut the extra cord which is pointing upward. If you have any query then you can let me know in the comment section below or ping me in Instagram. My Instagram handle is didecorakanksha. Once this is completed, we can trim the cords according to the shortest cord or else we can go for the butterfly knot with the help of remaining cords. For this we have to make a square knot first. loop of around 2 inch with the leftmost cord. Keep the right cord over that. Then pass the right cord through the loop from the back, but do not tighten the knot. Then make a loop with the right cord. Keep the left cord over that. Pass the left cord through the loop from the back and tighten this knot. Then slide the knot upwards and adjust. Then again make a loop of 1 inch with the leftmost cord and repeat the same process. So here is our butterfly knot. Leave a gap of 7 cm and do one more. Repeat the same for the next 4 longer cords. In the end, trim out the extra cords according to the shortest cord. First I am going to cut the lower ones and then I am going to the upper ones. So the planter is ready. If you'll make this planter, please share the picture with me in Instagram. My Instagram handle is DI-Decor Akanksha. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.